When your utility knife blade is dull, there's no reason to get a brand new blade. There's an easier way. I find that I can sharpen the blade a lot faster than I can replace it. About 2 or 3 swipes like this will have it razor sharp again. And as you're working, you just keep your knife sharp. This method will save you a lot of time and money. I bought this 100 blade pack about 15 years ago. Now I'm pulling out the used blades instead of the new ones. If you're on the job site and you don't have a sharpening stone, you can use a file. That'll get it razor sharp too. Again, once you have the technique down, you can use just about anything to sharpen your blade. There's a lot of times I can't find a stone, I can't find a file, so I'll use sandpaper and that'll work as well. The holes in this sandpaper are giving me some trouble, but you get the point. So next time you're using your utility knife and it won't cut that drywall, give this a try. Having a sharp knife makes all the difference. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.